In this part 2 of video, we'll discuss some additional features of LibreOffice that we can use for our learning purposes.
Now, again in the format section, we can see in the paragraph the dimension called uh, drop caps. So in these drop caps, you could see what drop caps. You can see the word visualize here. Means it will enhance the word and it makes the word enlarged letters that mark the start of a new chapter or section. If I am how many lines it will be applies, lines 3. If you also, if you want to number of characters, 2, 3, 4, and then lines you could apply 5 line. Then we have selected text once and character style. You can also drop cap. Here you can apply drop caps. Then here you just click on the OK. Now you could see the paragraph is changed now, and by applying drop cap. Again we will going to the format section, and in paragraph you could see the tabs section. um, if you you could see how you want to show your paragraph. Like in border, basically talks about it is useful for setting a paragraph off from the surrounding. If you are creating all 4 borders or only 2 borders, if you are creating all 4 borders, then you just see how it is border will be created after applying. Then if you want to change different styles of the border, like dashes and color, you can also change. If you want to brick color, and how you want to be, if you want to make it thick, and the position, how you just fix the position if you want this one, and then apply it to the. I could see the your paragraph is in the border page. So again in the format section, in the paragraph style, then here it is called area. In area you can see the 5 themes you could find, like color. We'll apply the color with different area. If you just applying dark yellow, then, and if you in the gradient, if you want to make, okay, so here color will be applying. Then you want to gradient like pastel cream, and you just you just make changes in the transition of the gradient, in which angle create the gradient. Then you can see the preview is also changing here. Then you just apply. Now you could see the color of the paragraph here. Then again in the paragraph section, you could see image. If you want to insert image or add or import, you can also import any image. Okay, if I am import this image here, then you could see now in between paragraph you can also import some pictures, here I have imported some pictures here. You can see the picture in between gradient. Okay, then again I am going to the paragraph format section. Then paragraph, you can also import this image, or if you want to change some pattern, you can also do change. Okay, in this way you can change all these things. If you want to apply transparency, the transparency, it affects the paragraph background. It is useful for creating watermark and making colors and or it images. So transparency, okay, now the it is applied, transparency is applied uh, in the paragraph background. So in this way you can use paragraph formatting. You can also create watermark, like if you want to give some mark LibreOffice, then you can also increase the font and the angle and transparency, color you can change here and applies to. Okay, now you could see uh, the the LibreOffice watermark. It has been created here, and then you again go to the format section.
Now, with this information, we'll stop our part 2 of LibreOffice video. Thank you all.